Hey everybody, how's it going? So a little blast from the past here. My 2022 Silverado LTD Custom 1500 has been parked in my driveway for a couple of months. The person working at my company that drove that truck, they left us back in January, so I've had it here for a while. I just kind of use it to putt around town a little bit, but for the most of the daily driving I do for work, I'm still using my 2024 TurboMax 3/4 ton. I did have some work done on this black truck. When I took it over here back in January, it was making a really nasty rattling sound when it started up and when it drove. So it turned out it needed a turbo to be replaced. The bearings were shot. It's around 164,000 miles right now. Let's take a look. 164,568 is the current mileage. Still rides great, feels good. It's got the Bilsteins that I put on it a while ago. He put some new tires on it. They looked like they're really fresh. Can't remember the mileage he put it on. We did have to take the Boost Auto tow mirrors off because one of them broke. So we put the factory mirrors back on. We also had to take off the Boost Auto retractable running boards because one of them stopped working and I couldn't figure out how to make it work. So I just took them off. So I have a new person starting in a couple of weeks that is going to be driving this truck. So I've got it all ready for him. It's, it's empty and clean mostly, but it's been a good truck. Oh yeah, we also took out the Z Innovation screen. I just wanted it back to factory for the new person. But yeah, it's a good truck. Like I said, 164 going on 165,000 miles. This has got the 2.7 liter turbo. As you all know, I've made a video about it a long time ago. It burns oil. Now I'm curious to see, and I guess I'll have to keep tabs on my new guy, if it's going to burn oil with that new turbo. I haven't really put many miles on it since the new turbo, but maybe that was the source of the oil burning. Who knows? We'll see. I'll keep tabs on that with my new guy. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick update video. It's been a good truck for us. Original trans, original diffs. It's been through a couple sets of tires. I did replace the catalytic converter around I want to say 95 or 100,000 miles. We just had to do the turbo around 164,000, give or take, whatever it was. And then everything else, yeah, pretty much factory. Nothing really bad about it. Just the burning oil with that 2.7 liter, which is a common issue. Some of them do, some of them don't. I just tell the people that drive this truck, check the oil frequently and get it changed. Don't go over 5,000 miles. And I always tell them, drive around with an extra quart of 5W30 if it sits overnight somewhere. Check the oil and top it off as you need. Approaching 70,000 miles on my TurboMax. It's been a good truck. I've been towing my gooseneck hitch a lot lately, and I've been just running a lot of miles on it. So, but it'll be nice to have some space back in my driveway here in a few weeks. Anyways, that's all. I just wanted to share. The black truck's been back for a while, and it's souped up, ready to go, so to speak. But no, it's ready to put on another. Maybe we'll keep it till it goes to 300. We'll see. I'd like to see it go to 300,000. That'd be great. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate all the support, and stay tuned for new videos. Doing my best to stay active with commenting and sharing things, but with the two toddlers, it's a little tough. And then the full-time job, it's busy. We're hectic here. So appreciate everybody. Give this video a thumbs up. Love it if you subscribe. Stay tuned for new videos. See you next time. Later.